Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So we start here on the daily time frame. This is the overall Bitcoin chart context, and the idea is that we could get one more high in this cycle, possibly towards 130k. It depends a little bit on where this current wave 4 correction that we are watching, where it completes, because the lower it goes, the lower the final target might be for the fifth wave. The 130k level is based on a larger degree target, but we can always refine that when we take a look at the, let's say, the microstructures. And if we can get this wave 4 completed, get a completed or a confirmed low, then we can calculate a target for a fifth wave more precisely. But it's not possible yet because we haven't bottomed yet in that wave 4, at least it's not clear yet. And therefore I cannot really give you a target for wave 5 that is based on that way of measurement. But important to understand that there are two ways how this wave 4 could unfold, in my opinion. I mean, essentially there are more, but these are the two, let's say, variations of the wave count. Either the wave 3 topped at the top, okay, here that was just a few days ago, and we're now in an A wave of wave 4, and it could develop into a larger ABC structure as shown in white. Or the wave 4 is a so-called flat correction as shown in orange. And if that's the case, then we could be nearly done with it. Okay, and that is the potential I'm showing also on the smaller time frame in orange. In case you were wondering, we talked about that anyway, but I just want to show that because Bitcoin's corrections in wave 4s often are characterized by overshooting B waves, it can be that the third wave indeed topped here around the 22nd of November, A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down, and then we do this. It's just something to watch for. Overall, the idea is that the current correction is simply a pullback, a correction in an overall uptrend, which should lead to further upside in this cycle into early 2025. Important to understand, there are certain Fibonacci support levels we can watch. 91,637. This has been reached. 82,400, 75,620, and 69,400. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here I can tell you that the market has dipped further into the support region that we defined around the same time yesterday. Yesterday we saw the price we saw how the price started a pullback and then a bit of a bounce, and the idea was to enter the support region, but we haven't really, well, we have done that, but there isn't really any let's say strong buying action from the lows yet. First indication that a low of sorts might be in place is a break above the 98,000 level, that B wave high. Better confirmation that a low is in, a break above the 99,470 level, or 99,500 rather, which is the swing high of white wave A. What am I watching for here? So the main question is at the moment on this time frame, is this only some kind of a corrective bounce or a more meaningful low in place? So if it's, for example, the internal fourth wave with one more low to come, to complete this larger fourth wave I just showed you on the larger time frame in orange, we would get one more low. We would see a break most likely below 93,738, because that's the 78.6 retracement of the initial rally. Yeah, and that would be further confirmation we're going down. I don't really see any strong impulsive move to the downside, so I think it's quite likely to get some kind of a bounce. Whether that develops into something more bullish or it is just a B wave, we will have to see. Either way, I'm offering here a support region which is not based on a high probability setup, but I think there's a good chance for this, and it's located between 93,738 and 96,690, so we just need a little bit more upside momentum to confirm that, but one more low cannot be ruled out at this stage, but any low could really be a more meaningful one now at this stage. And as I said, in the last few days, I'm considering the current pullback an opportunity for those who are interested, obviously, in getting a position. because I see it only as a pullback in an overall uptrend. Now, let's take also a quick look at Bitcoin dominance just to show you that we're still in this price channel. Or it's not a price channel, in this channel. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, we took a look at the Bitcoin dominance value in the last few days regularly. I think it's quite meaningful. Today we have a bit of a dip, but what I'd like to see next to confirm the next round of altcoin outperformance, we want to see a move down below the lower boundary line of that trend channel. That hasn't happened yet. Next resistance here is 60.34%. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Today we have our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC. There will be a 2025 outlook. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I'll also take a look at some other asset classes during that live stream, just to give a bit of an outlook into next year. So if you're interested in that, you can just join the membership at 5 p.m. UTC. The link will be distributed before that. So yeah, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.